I'm back. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Okay. So, I've come bearing gifts for myself. I have the rear view mirror and a steering wheel cover, which looks huge. Hopefully it fits. If not, I can always return it because it's Amazon. I like that. It's smooth. How do I put this on? And which way does it go? Wait. Oh, wait. Man, I am so smart. The lines match up. And then I can just wrap it around. There we go. It's not gonna fit. Why didn't I measure first? Oh, wait. It's fitting. It's just really tight, I think. I did it. Okay. It's on. Okay, that's nice. It's a lot better than what it looked like before. All right, cool. Now for the rear view mirror. La. Ooh. Holy crap, that is huge. That is bigger than my head. Okay, which way does it go? This way. Okay. So I pull these down first. Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. I don't know if you can see that, but this is where I look. And obviously I need to adjust it a little bit. So I can see both my blind spots. And it has like really wide view. Wow. That's it. But I really like this. And I can look at myself. Wow. That's huge. It looks so weird. It looks like the bus mirrors, kind of. Okay, cool. Everything worked out. Again. Yay! Time to shop more on Amazon.